Hello, this is Aiden from Geogook. Welcome to our customer's packing house, which is located in one of the most famous citrus production area, which is Wumin. And now, please follow me to our customer's packing house to see the machine, how the machine is working for the washing, waxing, and optical sorting. We are at our customer's packing house, and this packing house is equipped with the 3 channels optical sorting machine. And this machine can process between 8 and 10 tons per hour. We are at our customer's packing house, and this packing house is equipped with 4 channels, weighing and sorting machine. And this machine can process over 10 tons of citrus per hour. If you are looking for an efficient and reliable citrus processing line, please contact us. Geogook to make food production simpler and safer.